Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with decisive preparation. Disconnect USB drives, external displays, and any SD cards so boot won't hang on peripherals. Then, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown. This clears transient freezes in firmware. Once done, wait about 5 seconds and press power again. Make sure you know your Dell service tag and Windows credentials, because you may need them for diagnostics or recovery options later. This saves time and avoids guessing. If a normal restart loops on the lock screen, force interrupt boot 3 times to open WinRe. This forces Windows into recovery options. Then pick Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Startup Settings, and restart into Safe Mode so you can isolate driver or profile issues. Once in Safe Mode, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc and dism to repair system files, and run chkdsk on the system drive if there are disk errors. These tools fix corruption that commonly blocks the lock screen. Once safe, update or rollback display and chipset drivers, because faulty drivers often cause lock screen freezes. Device Manager lets you try both quickly. If the lock screen persists, create a new local administrator account to confirm profile corruption, then copy user files from the old profile. As a final step, use Windows Reset or Dell Recovery Media to restore the system, but make sure you backed up personal data first. If things go wrong, use the Dell support tag when contacting support for targeted recovery guidance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.